Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Steam tools while launching or downloading any game. You got an error, content still encrypted. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, all you have to do is to right click on your game which is giving you the error. Go to its properties. From the left pane, you will find the option of DLC. If any DLC is checkmarked by you, make sure you uncheck each and every DLC available right over here. After unchecking all the DLC, try to download or update the game and hopefully the issue will be fixed. Once the game is fully downloaded, you can use the mods instead of DLC to play the game. If this failed to work out, click on the option Store. Now in the search box, you need to search for the game which is giving you the error. I'll take an example of GTA 5. Search for the game, and once the game is occurred, you will find the option of Lua tools over here. Click on it, and from here you will find the option of remove via Lua tools. You need to click on the option remove via Lua tools. Once it is removed, close it and then make sure you restart your Steam. Once Steam is restarted, again come back to the store page of the game and then again click on the option to re-add the game using the Lua tools. Once re-added, it is asking you to restart your Steam. Restart the Steam and update or download or install the game, and this will fix out your issue of content still encrypted. Although if both methods fail to work out, the only thing you can do is to open your web browser and download the latest version of Steamtools by opening the steamtools.net website. Open the website, click on the option Get It Now. Now choose the option Download Setup. Once it is downloaded, install it into your system. Once it is installed, second thing you need to download is Millennium. So again, right into the Google, type in Steamtools Millennium and hit the enter key. Open the very first link of the Millennium tool, click on the option Install Now. Now here is the installer, click on it to download it. Once downloaded, install both the applications. This will provide you the latest version of the Steam tools, and in turn you are ready to install the game and the issue will be completely fixed. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.